Hi there, my name is Kai, and I'm telling you some stuff I learned from something we went to in Port Aransas earlier today. I learned to be a weather spotter. Today, I'm going to tell you the different types of storm clouds. The weakest one is a single cell. Next up and powerful, multi-cell. Then squall line. And then the most powerful storm, which is the storm that produces tornadoes, is the supercell. It's basically a gigantic. It's basically that. Or I could find a picture of it in here.
What are some of these pictures here show? What?
This is a reference guide to different things. This is a picture of a supercell. Rain and or hail is over here. The tornado is forming. The wall cloud is that big chunk that's kind of hanging down. The overshooting top, that means it's a serious storm.
So why did you take this class, Kai? Like, why did they want you to come do this?
To help out other people if there's a storm heading towards your town and it's gonna go straight into the other town, then they need you to identify what it is, if it's a serious tornado, weak tornado, or a violent tornado.
Mm-hmm. And who was teaching this? Like, was it one of these places over here, or?
Was actually National Weather Service.
What? Who was it?
National Weather Service.
Mm-hmm.
You might see that. It says Skywarn.
Mm-hmm.
It's an eye with. It's basically the storm spotters.
Does look like it's also a little tornado.
Mm-hmm. It's the storm spotters symbol.
Okay, cool. So, are you a storm spotter now?
Yes.
And who did you go to the class with?
My dad.
What did you think about it?
It was pretty interesting. My favorite part was how storms are made.
Mm-hmm.
The elements needed.
The elements needed to make a storm, it's pretty hard to get. You need low pressure or high pressure?
Unstable.
Instability, which is warm air from the sea with cold air from onshore going together. That's unstable. Then you need a cold front. But this is how a supercell is made. It's all that with a jet stream.
Wind shear.
With a wind shear or a jet stream.
Mm-hmm.
The wind shear, if you see a cloud that's kind of tilted, a wind shear's in action. If you see a cloud that's tilted and spinning,
Supercell.
that's a supercell, and you better. And if you see something hanging down, and if you see a kind of funnel going down, and if it touches the ground, make sure you're not in its path.
Mm-hmm.
That's a tornado.
Now, what about hurricanes? Did you learn about hurricanes at all?
No, but you don't want. But if you do, but there's one more thing. If you come home and see that your car didn't get damaged, and see your car perfectly fine, you get close, you see holes in the windows and dents in it, hail. sometimes it can be as big as a softball. Let me show you how big a softball is. This big.
Look
at that compared to my head.
Did he have a softball there today?
No.
But they said that there's softball-sized hail sometimes.
Yeah. If it's the size of a quarter, that's considered serious weather. Severe weather. Hail as big as these.
We don't get that in Corpus Christi, though, right?
No, but if it was a tornado, these only hail made of ice would probably be spinning around the tornado. It forms a curtain of hail. So this is a tornado. This is just one piece of hail. Imagine like 5. Okay, Dad, I need you as an example. Say my dad's the tornado. This is a piece of hail.
Let me back up.
So this piece of hail is basically orbiting. Only imagine 100.
Blown by the wind.
Yeah, imagine 1 million more of these spinning around this. That's what. And if you just see a gigantic wall, don't go close to it. It's probably the curtain of hail. That's how much hail can be in it. It's also called
So,
the curtain of
do you
hail.
think that we'll be able to identify any of this stuff from our house ever?
Yeah, if you see a cloud, video it and then time lapse it. You'll be able to see it spinning.
Anything else, Kai, about today?
Also, this is how you can tell if it's a tornado is gonna form. If you see little funnel-like things, yeah. But if you see it touch down, but then it kind of looks like a rope, then you know that failed to happen.
It's funnel clouds become tornadoes when they touch the ground.
If it touched the ground, but then the top of it dissipated, that means that you're okay, and there's just a gigantic storm with tons of hail coming towards you.
Did that make you interested in meteorology?
Also, safe spots for a tornado: be at a home, in say a bathroom or a hallway, lowest floor, maybe even the basement would be good too. Not the attic. And mobile homes, no. They can get twisted around around telephone poles.
In cars,
No.
highway underpasses,
No.
ditch.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Kai.
You're welcome.